Hey guys, on this very video, we're watching how to create smart graphics designs with our Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Photopea. I'll be working with this business card, Webiner flyer. If you have watched that logo tutorial, you will be familiar with what we are about doing now because we already talked about logo design using, that is logo mockup using Photoshop and Photopea. So it is that same function that has been done on that very video that I'll be doing on this very video. So let's look at what we'll be working on. This is a webinar that you can just design and post online. You'll be wondering how on earth can a newbie or someone who is just new into graphic design go do this professionally. No, you don't need to stress yourself, as this tutorial will be guiding you on how to do this with ease within a shortest space of time. So the next video tutorial I'll be doing is this particular one. So we'll be running into this first, this very one first. So how do you go about this? This particular design was made with a PSD file, like a Photoshop software. This other one was made with Adobe Illustrator. So it is their raw file that will be editing, as it has been designed by professionals already. So how do we go about this? Remember, in a previous video, we were shown how to download free graphics from this very site. So if you have not watched it, go and check on it and try to comprehend how it was done so that you'll be able to do it now. So first, you must have them downloaded. This is the image and this is the raw file. So how do we get this into practice? You launch your Photoshop, then go into this file, click on file, click on open. We are opening a Photoshop file, so you click on open, you locate where your file is. I think I have it in skill, skill hub, then templates. This is where I have it. Where is my webinar invitation? No. Online live webinar. Yes, this is it. So you click on this and you open. You can see this document contains unknown data which will be discarded to keep layers edited to preserve. So you keep layers. Click on keep layers. In some designs, you will be notified that, okay, this is what I want to say. That some text layers contain fonts that are missing. That is to tell you that there are some fonts in that design that are not in this particular flyer. For professionals that want to give everything in detail, I will suggest you, before you start designing, check the zip file folder. You'll be directed the name of the font that was used. So you can proceed into your browser and locate the font, or is it that font? Yeah, that font.com, and you search for that particular font and download. So now, well, let's work and get this done. So you can see this was given to you without the main design, the main photo that we earlier saw. So now let's start editing this. How do you start editing? This is not like any other software that you can click and edit. No. All you need to do is look to your right hand side where you have layers. It is these layers that we'll be working with. Each layer has its own content. You can see this place your image. If you click on it, click on this particular, and you see this is where you have to place your, so you double click on it. Once you double click on it, you get to see where the mask is, so you can delete. So don't stress yourself about what I'm saying. All we need to do is double click on this. I'm not sure you saw what I just did. This particular smart contract, that is where you double click. You OK. You can see this is where we are going to place our image. So make sure you have your photo with the background cropped already. If you don't know how to crop image, check on our video on remove.bg on how to go about it. You will understand it better. So click on place. Once you click on place, you locate where your file is, where your image is that has no background. Let's see. I think I'm supposed to have something here. Okay, sorry about that. Remove. Yes. So these are remove background. I'm supposed to have something here. What's wrong? Okay guys, I'm sorry about the delay. Okay, I think we should be on 5 in 1. Whoa. Okay, you can see this is that very image I did. This is what I did. I'm trying to show you how it was done. Okay, let me use farm rice. Okay, this is the image. So I'll click on place. I'll highlight the image, click on place, and it will be placed. Once it is placed, you click on enter. Click on enter, click on Ctrl S. Once you click on Ctrl S, you give it little time to save. So it has saved. Let's go. You can see this is the image. So now let's work on the placement. You can see this particular image is still highlighted. So you click on Ctrl T. That is Ctrl T. So you can shift it to any angle, or you reduce the size as you want, so that it doesn't. Yes, that is it. So you can see. Then you click enter. It has been placed. So now we are done with placing image. Let's now go with the text. If you click on this text, you can see this business. You can see we have great ideas. You can see to grow your own, and we have great. So you click on we have great. Click on it. Double click on it. You see it has been highlighted. So you can type whatever you want. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, that is it. So once you are done with that, you go with the next one. To grow. Double tap it. Then click on it. Then welcome to my. Then I will be okay with that. Then click on double tap on business. Okay it to my hall. You can see you okay it. Sure, that is I'm done with. Okay, there's this marker, this commas by the top. It's comma he used, but seems like something else now. So you can use it, or you just right click and delete. You can delete the layer. So that is it. So now we are still on hub. You click on hub, click on Ctrl T, then reduce it a bit. You can see. So I can decide to now make my own changes to the designs. I will click on welcome, click on Ctrl T. This is not like any other design software or tool. You know, this software is Photoshop is very complicated if you don't know much about it. So just follow the guidelines, enter, go to my layer, click on my, click Ctrl T, take it up this way. Okay, you can see I'm trying to form something out of what I already have, or I can decide to just make it this way. You can decide to take it this way, enter, click on hub, Ctrl T, take the hub this way. You can see these are different ways you can see this eye. If you close the eye, then that thing will not appear. So that is it. Let me still work on the image and adjust it a bit. Ctrl T, So to highlight something, a text that you want to edit, you make use of Control T. So that is it. You enter to place. Then all these other ones are here. You can just tap on any of it. The contact, you can click on this particular icon, click on it, click more, edit individually, and you have your flyer design in a way that it will present a brand just like I did here. It's 5-in-1. You can see this particular design I did within a shortest space of time without stressing myself into getting to start from scratch, which will take me time. So that is how to get designs done professionally without stress.